Okay, let me try a voiceover here a little bit. I'm snorting here because I already went a little part of that hill, and I know it will be much more uphill from here. So this is my first time voiceover on this kind of videos, and I might continue, I might not. Today I have a little bit time, and you will see how it goes. And you let me know in the comments what you think about it, please. I don't know how good you can see that on the footage, but yeah, here you can see it very good. The terrain was very steep. You see the power lines there, and here you see that this one little tree, the spruce, was already cut down. And everything what is growing under the power line or beside it, this is our job to remove. And so we had to climb up this yeah, hill or mountain or whatever you want to call it, and to work up there to remove all the trees which are growing there or this kind of stuff. Yeah, you can hear me. It was very exhausting. It's steep and you have to go with your saw. I didn't bring anything else, just the saw. I filled it up. No fuel can or anything, no belt with tools on. Just myself and the saw. Here are already people working. Up there is my colleague.
Hvordan kom du deg opp så fort
I was
da?
asking how fast he was coming up so fast. And he said he was just walking. Yeah. I don't know if I can have the capacity to do more voiceovers or how often I can, but I tried here at least. And you can really tell me what you think about voiceover, if I should do it more or not. There is a fjord and the boat ferry, the car ferry, I mean the car ferry. So,
Enkelt for å komme her.
he said it was easy to come up that way. And I said I came from down there.
Og det litt slitsomt. Hæ? Jeg tror det denne. Den må bort? Han heller vokser jo mot linja.
That one has to go. It's growing towards the power line. It's a pine, I believe. Some view over the fjord again. Kind of.
Åh. Ja. Står den der og gosser seg, vet du. Skulle du gått etter det? Kunne tatt det med? Hæ?
Ja, nei, har ikke skjedd det.
Eller er det den lille der som var så nærme?
Ja, oppå den?
Ja.
Mulig. Men jeg mener, jeg har sett en som vokser sånn. Som kanskje ligger som vindfall eller noe.
Kanskje rett bort.
We're discussing here which tree we have to take and what we have seen.
Den?
Ja. Det er jo langt, da.
Ja. Jeg tror nesten ikke... Ja, god spørsmål.
Han er veldig langt unna, men han vokser jo mot.
Ja, jeg tror man kan ta den.
So we talk about taking down this birch tree on the left side. Yeah. So now we're here's a birch tree we're talking about, and I will fell that one now. That one was quite far away from the line, but so so maybe you can see the power line is also very low here. So we decided to go for the birch tree, and I'm considering that the pine tree right now in front of me. And yeah. I cut everything up in small pieces so that it lays flat on the ground and is not hanging in the air. It's most possible that these kind of trees will never be picked out of this area up there in the hills, because there are no roads going up. There is it's not possible for a tractor to drive. And beside the power lines shall anyway no tractor or this kind of vehicles operate. As I mentioned before, I cut all those branches and also the trunk, like that everything is laying on the ground. And the reason is just simple, so that it can rot better. Up here nobody is going to pick up that wood. It's just not possible. Very difficult at least. Yeah, I just want to thank you if you watched until here, and if you have not subscribed, please consider it, and give the video a like or not, you decide, but it would help me if you do that. Yes, thank you and have a good day.